brand new place for KDP book interiors. Hello guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video I am going to show you a brand new and rapidly growing KDP book interiors site. And before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. I love to publish videos about KDP low and no content books. You can see here, and you can come and subscribe to my channel and watch these videos. So that place is Creative Fabrica with over 500 book interiors already published and counting. Let's check it out. So I am here on creativefabrica.com, and from the graphics go to KDP interiors, and here you can see there are 588 results. It means 588 different type of interiors are available for low content books, coloring books and puzzle books. And this is the main page, and it is sorted by popularity. The most popular book is KDP Bundle 70 Templates. The next is KDP Activity Interior for Kids. Let's check it out. And here we go. This is KDP Activity Book Interior for Kids, because due to lockdown, kids activity books are very popular. And keeping this in mind, this person has created a book which says new. You will get 130-page activity book interior 6x9 on print on demand services like KDP. And here is tracing game, find single one, 4 in a row, tic-tac-toe, hangman, and different types of interiors inside section inside this single book. And you can get this for free if you have already a subscription of Creative Fabrica, because this is a part of subscription as well. Now let's check out another one. It is Homeschool Planner. This is already very popular nowadays. Homeschool planners are very popular nowadays. And you can see this is Homeschool Planner. And you can see there are 78-page PDF ready to upload. We suggest making this planner belong to page and merge together. It says all you have to do is create the first page and then merge them and upload them on Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP. So let's check out some others. It's Unicorn Coloring Book for Kids. Very good. Coloring books are already very popular, and due to the huge demand of kids books, these interiors are doing very well. You can see here it says set of 20 unique pages for unicorn coloring books. 42 pages total, because every coloring book has a blank page on the opposite side. So these are very good interiors. You can subscribe for a subscription here on Creative Fabrica for graphics, or you can individually purchase them. These are usually $1 to $5 or 2.99 or 3.99. Very cheap interiors and very good quality interiors are there. You can see here there are lots of them. This is 100 maze puzzles. Let's check it out. Wow, this is 100 maze puzzles, and you can get it as a single purchase, or if you have subscription, then you will get it for free. And one thing I want to share with you is I personally have a shop, or you can say the designer account here on Creative Fabrica, and I have added some interiors. This is mine. Dot to dot book 1 full POD. Let me show you this book. This is my shop. Its name is KDP is, and you can come here and check it out. Let me show you the profile. This is my shop and this is my profile. You can check it out, and if you would like to purchase some interiors, then you are most welcome. Here is Sudoku puzzle book and volume 2. This is volume 2. This is daily food and fitness journal with gratitude. Then I have Hangman book for kids. These are all 100 pages of Hangman book. Then I have Sudoku puzzle books volume 1, and there is a ABC handwriting worksheet. There is to-do list, and that is dot god book. These are dot to dot, and these kids activity books are very popular on Kindle Direct Publishing, and you can come here and you can get these all for free as part of your subscription. Let me show you some other interiors from different designers. The direct link to this page is in the description. You can go to the first link in the description and the very first link in the comment and check it out. These interiors, these are very good interiors. You can see here, this is 150 KDP ready templates. 150 KDP ready templates. That's awesome. Oh, and there is 100 cat shape maze puzzle books. Very good. Let's check it out. I am doing an overview of this to give you an idea of what you can get here on Creative Fabrica if you are doing Kindle Direct Publishing. That is 100 cat shape mazes puzzle book with solutions, 200 pages total. So, and let me log out and show you the prices for that puzzle books or KDP interiors. I have logged out from my account because I have subscription, and this subscription doesn't show the prices because these all are the part of my subscription. I have a $9 subscription per month, and I can get all these interiors for free. You can see here this activity book is $5. This is $9.9. That is homeschool planner. But as part of my subscription, I can get this for free. This unicorn coloring book is for $5, and there are various prices. Some are very low prices, like 100 maze puzzle books for only $2.95. There is A to Z and 1 to 10 maze full book is only for $3. There are very cheap interiors as well. You can see here, this is 3-month daily productivity planner for $4.99, and like that. Let's check it out. Check out the next page and what is there. That is 100 cat shape maze puzzle book, 3-month routine planner, cat shape again, password tracker, $4.99. $4.99. That is blank comic book, and another blank comic book, and that is mine. It is for $2.99. And here we go. That is 2020 and 24. That is calendar. Yes, it is for $5. 5-year monthly calendar KDP, which is planner. And there are various variety of planners there, planners and interiors there. Now you can also navigate by going to graphics. Just click on the graphics, and here on the search from all, just select KDP interiors. Where is K? Yes, this is KDP interior, and here in this search you can type coloring book. Then you will get these refined results for coloring books, and these are really awesome designs and covering pages there. You can also check type Sudoku. When I typed Sudoku, these two are on the top, and that are mine. $1.99. Here are many Sudoku puzzle books, and if you letter tracing, these are two books here, ABC, that is mine, and there are also two other interior here. And what you can do is just click on the subscription, and you can purchase subscription for $29 per month, and these $29 per month will give you all access to graphics, to KDP interiors, to fonts, to crafts, to embroidery, and all the stuff for $29 per month. And also if you click through my link in the that is in the description, and you enter so discount code, that is, let me show you the discount code. If you click come here by clicking through my link, and on the coupon you enter sub 25, you will get a discount, and you will get this subscription for $21, all access for $21. Alternatively, you can only purchase graphic subscription. Click on the graphics, and the graphic subscription is $19, but you can get this also on discounted price by coming through my link, that is an affiliate link. If you purchase through that, that is very much appreciated. Then here on the coupon, enter sub 25. It will only work if you come through my link, sub 25, and hit apply, and you will get this all graphics and all interiors for only $14.25. That's very cool. So that is the website, that is Creative Fabrica. I am leaving the link in the description, and also I am leaving the link for direct link for KDP interiors. You can come here, and if you want to purchase the subscription, then you can click on the link in the description, which is saying my favorite place to get graphics from. And while you are here for purchasing the subscription, then enter the coupon code SUB25 on the checkout page, and you will get 25% discount, around about 25% discount on that interiors and all the graphics. You can get all the graphics for around $15 per month. So that is all from me. Today, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.